Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to record in OBS Studio with high quality. So, to get started, what you want to do is in OBS, you want to go over to the Settings tab, and then you want to head over to Output. You want to make sure your output mode is set to Advanced, so you'll have access to encoder settings. Here, you can adjust your rate control, whether it'll be CBR, which will give you access to bitrate, and anything from 10,000 kilobytes per second above will ensure the best quality. You'll also want to, if you're using CQP, have lower numbers to equal better quality. So the lower this number is, the better the quality. And most people tend to go for 18. So that's encoder settings. Next thing you want to do is head over to your video tab, and you want to make sure your base resolution is set to 1920 by 1080, and your output is also set to 1920 by 1080. If these resolutions are different, you'll have to adjust the downscale filter. But for the most consistent quality, you want to make sure to have these settings set to the same resolution. You'll also want to make sure you have your common FPS value set to 60. However, if you're having trouble running 10,000 kilobytes a second of bit rate at 60, you can try 30 and then increase the bit rate for a good balance of graphical fidelity with your lower frame per second, but at least balanced and steadier, clear screen. So after you set those settings, you want to make sure to set it to apply so that once you start recording, your screen should be higher quality by default. If this video helped you out in any sort of way, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.